What does it mean to be in energetic harmony? To be in a state of balance within, between your body and your mind. To find equilibrium between yourself and the world around you. And to be able to remain centered, calm, and conscious, regardless of the circumstances. This is the state that I want to help you to cultivate in your life over the next 30 days. Welcome to Kundalini Ascension, 30 Days to Energetic Harmony. This program is a continuation of my last 30-day program, Kundalini Beginnings, for those of you that got all the benefits out of that and want to go deeper into Asana, the physical postures of the body for redirecting the flow of energy and bringing stability to the mind. Deeper into Kriya, the techniques for purifying and strengthening the nervous system, making us more powerful, more resilient. Deeper into Pranayama and breath work, the breathing techniques for increasing our energetic capacity, increasing our ability to stay vital all day. And deeper into meditation, the techniques for developing the concentration and awareness of the mind to be able to stay in our center, to be able to see more clearly throughout the turmoil of life. This is what I want to give to you. And as this program is a continuation from the last 30-day challenge, I'm not going to be reintroducing all of the techniques each time because you're familiar with them already. I want to give you the opportunity now to go deeper to the subconscious mind, deeper to the benefits of these practices. So unless something's brand new, I won't be spending a lot of time to introduce the actual details of the practice, but more I'll be directing your awareness. Where should you be focusing your mind? How should you be visualizing or sensing this technique to get the most out of it? Because this way you'll be able to go into your practice, into your body, into your being, your energy, into your subconscious mind. And this is where the transformation really happens. So, because I know a lot of you have been following me here at Refeel Yoga for quite a while, and you've heard the same instructions over and over and over. So you don't need them. What we're going to focus on here is only the things that you do need, unless something's brand new. Speaking of brand new, one addition that we're going to add to our ritual. Remember, we're going to be starting and ending, kind of encapsulating the practice to make it a very harmonious space, to allow the reptilian mind to stay quiet, to go really calm, and that will enable us to go that much further. So one more addition that we're going to add to this ritual that we've created is the Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation. In the beginning of each class, we will be doing 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Now this is a phenomenal practice. There's a reason that it's been so intermingled with the yogic practice, because Surya Namaskar is a beautiful sequence for many things. One of my favorite aspects of this is according to Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the science of life from India. It's literally one of the oldest sciences we know. It's documented over 10,000 years. And according to Ayurveda, Surya Namaskar is a tri-doshic balancing Kriya, meaning it's an action, a purifying action, which balances the 3 doshas, the 3 humors, or the 3 causes of illness in the body. So just by doing this sequence daily, every day for 30 days, it's not going to take so long, but it's going to be an addition, you're going to find greater balance is coming. Regardless of your temperament, if you're a very fiery, dynamic person, you might find that you become more, patient, more stable. If you're a really spaced out and dreamy person, you might find that you become more grounded. And if you're a really heavy, kind of hard to get moving type of person, you will find you're getting lighter and more motivated. I experienced this firsthand a couple years ago when I went deep into this practice of Surya Namaskar. I was doing many repetitions every day and I was shocked by the results. Because by regular daily practice of this, I noticed I'm kind of a dreamy type of person. And I have a lot of ideas. But often those ideas come and blow away with the wind. But I notice with doing this practice regularly, those ideas don't just come, but it's easy for me to grasp onto them and materialize them. It gives me that power of grounding that maybe I don't have as much. And I've heard from many of my other students that it's really helped to pick them up in where they're lacking. So that is one of the beautiful benefits of Surya Namaskar, is this tri-doshic balancing effect. On top of that, it's a great way to warm up the body, get the muscles moving, move the fascia, makes us more flexible. It engages the heart and lungs, strengthening the cardiovascular system. It's very strong for creating heat in the body, so it's good for activating the metabolism. If you're someone that needs to lose weight, it can help to bring weight. If you're someone that needs to gain weight because you need muscle, it can also help with that. Again, tri-doshic balancing means it's good for any and all body types. That's why I think it's going to be an essential compound of our ritual. It's just one part, but we will be doing that little part each day just to add that much more value to this program. And then we will change up, we will work a lot more with the chakras in this program, because for me, in the realm of Kundalini Yoga, the chakras are the key. The chakras are the key to everything, to understanding the body, the organs, the hormones, to understanding the energy, the emotions, the layers of consciousness. Like, for me, it's the most complete system. So we will be going deeper into working with the chakras throughout this 30-day program as well. That's all I'm going to say. I don't want to give away too many of the surprises, but just so you know what's happening, we're going deeper. I'm not going to talk too much unless it's needed, and I'm really excited to share this program with you. I hope to hear from you along the way, because I really have a lot of faith there's going to be a lot of transformation coming out of this program. So please always keep me updated in the comment section. It's good for the algorithm, and it's really rewarding for me to hear how you're experiencing these programs that I'm putting the effort into creating. And with all that said, give this video a like so other people will see it. Share it if you know anyone else that's kind of on the path or wanting to get on the path. And if you haven't already, check out my Kundalini Beginnings. If there's any of the practices that you meet here and you're like, I don't know, I've never heard of that before, check out Kundalini Beginnings, the last 30-day program, because I won't be introducing anything unless it's brand new. Okay. I talked a lot already, but I'm pretty excited. I hope you can feel my enthusiasm through the camera. So without further ado, let's get ready to begin Kundalini Ascension, 30 days to energetic harmony.